Going? Where you going? Hey. Close. My monkey. Come here, monkey. Oh, monkey. So when people call me monkeys all the time, I don't get it. Like, how are we alike? Oh. She want to take me on a date? Where she want to take me?
She's scared outside.
Oh, she's scared? Hey, baby. Woo-hoo! Yo, let's dance or something. Where she want to take me? Oh, she's scared?
There's so many people here. Yeah.
Oh. Hey, what's your name? Habuba. Hey, how old are you? You fine as hell. Hey, what's good? Hey, where you from? Oh, you from Saudi Arabia? That's crazy. You look cute. I know. That's crazy, ain't it? But yeah, like, what's up, baby? Damn, why she not? Hello? Do she not like me? I thought I was a monkey. Oh, touch her? Hey, I just want to talk to you. Oh, hug her? Oh, I can hug you? Oh, really?
She rejected you.
Really? I just got rejected by a monkey? Hey, baby. Damn. You don't like me? I'm trying to, okay, baby, come here. Hug. She doesn't want to hug, bro. Am I that ugly? I'm getting rejected. Am I just ugly? I think she's socially awkward. Is she okay? She already ate? Hold my hand. You okay? She don't like me. Why don't she like me?
Loves you.
She doesn't love me? Give me a hug then. Give me a hug.
Go down and hug her.
Give me a hug.
Hug you.
Give me a hug. How do I get her attention?